Hi, it's Hazel, and welcome to my channel, Hazel and Aka Design. This is one of those happy times, a time when a person, now I wanted to kind of make headway into here, but I almost cut into something. So this is going to be an unboxing video. It's a combination of purchases and I think Happy Mail as well from Joni at Not So Fast Joni. So let's see what is what. I'm just going to kind of balance this on my lap and see what I can see. Oh. Okay, how about some paper bags? I thought that this was a cool thing that she was offering. Oh, incidentally, if you don't know, Joni and I do a live sale on YouTube once a month, the first Thursday of every month. And well, we've got 3 under our belt now, yay! And Miracle of Miracles, I hosted the one last night. And you know, the interweb did not collapse around us, so I'm counting that as a win. Anyway, so excuse me, Joni has had different combinations of packaging for sale, and I honestly don't know at this point how much of this was, if this, don't take my word for it, is what I'm saying. I'm confused. I'm dazed and confused. I don't know what I purchased and what she might have thrown in. So of course, we all love having access to things we don't normally have access to. So this is kind of a medium-sized bag. These apparently, oh, that's got something else in it. These are sort of waxy, and you'll never guess what they're from. This is, and ladies will know, that these are the sorts of bags that you find in a restroom stall for disposing of certain products. So, of course, it will take on a whole new look in the hands of a creative person. Okay, so there's another one of those. Cookout. So that's cool. This, I love the graphics on this one. Yeah, nice. And I guess that I know I keep saying this because it may have taken a while, but it's finally sunk in that sometimes all you need are a few of something instead of a gross. You don't need 144. You don't need 15 pounds of. You don't need, you know, a million pieces. So these are, I'm sure these are cutlery bags, so that's good. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is just more, I would say this is parchment paper. It's got a serrated edge on it. And I am making the declaration here and now that one of these days, it could even be this coming week, I will be taking out my gel plate and playing with it. This, you probably can't see, it has a design on it, sort of a, you know, fancier diamond-shaped design. I imagine that this might also be maybe a food quality type thing, you know, for serving. Louisiana chicken. That's really cool. So this is foil lined. A bunch of these. Hoagie submarine. Cool. You know, most of the time, if a person is getting packaging like this, it's kind of all gross because, of course, there's been food in it. And this is from some kind, okay. This is for tacos. Some just little white what would we call these? Back in the day, they might have held candy, bulk candy. More of the those, more of these, more of these. Post-it. Oh, and these are check stubs from 1957. Hey, there's a check payable to Hazel Hitchcock. Don't know her. That is a kind of unusual, because you know, my name is not very common. I like to say the only time you'll see a Hazel is in the obituaries, because it's an old name. Okay, more of these. Okay, this is something different. Oh, this is from Brad. These are from Subs. So I think that yeah, this isn't what the typical bundle looks like. Oh, this has windows in it. That's cool. I know that I think she combined some things, you know, just for me. Just for me. And what do we have in here? Oh, a bunch of these self-sealing, you know, this stuff for packaging goods. And it's a different size. It's not a size I have. 6.5 by about 7. So I'll add that to my, where I keep those sorts of things. Thank you, Jody. Okay, now let me move this out of the way and see what else is in the bag. Sorry for all the rustling. Oh, Amazing Women. Learn about 20 minutes as you scratch and reveal the original. Okay, so this is a cover. Well, this, obviously, she's removed the guts out of this. But she knows that I... Oh my God, that's another thing I need to finish. I've been working on Celebration of Women journals, plural, of course, for a few years now. So, I mean, they're so close to being completed. Why can I not just, you know, buckle down and get it done? Hey, is buckle down a phrase your parents used to use on you? Why don't you just buckle down and get it done? Anyway. Sorry if I created a flashback for you there. Let's see what we have in here. So this is another... Okay, what is it? Oh, okay. For some reason, Jody wanted to evict this angel from her house. And I said that, yes, I would give her a home. Now, I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. But even if I, and, you know, turn away if you don't like the sounds of this, even if I just, you know, deconstruct her, so to speak, you know, remove the wings, wash them, salvage the ribbon roses, cut off her skirt, her torso, you know, it's better than having something like this just thrown out. So this she just gave me. And of course, we all remember back in the day when these sorts of things were, you know, were part of that country decor. Okay. I did buy a bunch of her, I don't know. Oh, I know what that is. Okay. I did buy a bunch of these cute little granny squares. They are 2 inches square. And let's just open this up. Look how cute. She had more of these yesterday at the at our sale. This is cute too. Oh, that's a dryer sheet there. Cute. So at one point I thought to myself, wouldn't it be cute if she sewed some of these together and made a little quilt for a dolly? I mean, a little Afghan for a dolly. Wouldn't that be cute? I won't bother opening the others, but you can see I, of course, picked this one because of the purple in it. And what have we got here? Cute little gnomes. Another little cluster. That's really cute. Oh, more of these. Oh, and these, I've never seen these kind of little... It almost looks like a miniature diaper pin, but it's plastic, of course. The teal one is cute, too. Cool. Okay, what have we got here? Another cluster. Now, these Paris ones I will put with my French stuff, so that's cool. Okay, so these are the paper clip things. And of course, if you've watched my channel for more than 3 or 4 minutes, you know that I like purple. And I like vibrant colors. And then these little guys are hearts in a couple different colorways. So those are cute. Like, can you imagine if a person wanted to furnish a dollhouse or something? This could be like a doily on the little table. Cute, 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 cute. And then what have we here? Another little snippet. That's really cute too. So she's obviously stamped the word thank you on these, on the scraps. If you watched her video for the collaboration I put together in March, the Masterboard Madness collaboration, she was one of the creators, and she did masterboards using her little itty-bitty pieces of wool. So it's almost like a shaker card, except, of course, they're not going anywhere because they're yarn. And this is cute. There's a little heart at the top, actually a lapel pin stuck through it, and a little button cluster at the bottom. So that's really cute. And these girls, it seems to me she's given me some of those in the past. Again, because of the female thing, the journal thing. You know what I mean. The thing. Money won't make you happy, but spending it will. I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and I'm wearing a fabulous new outfit. Don't sweat the small stuff. You have plenty of big things to worry about. Yeah, huh? Behind every good man is a ton of baggage that has been suppressed and is just waiting to come out. And, of course, the envelopes as well. And then there's a final bag to open. Oh, okay. This was the yarn. That's another thing she sells, sort of these yarn bundles. And I also said, well, initially when she showed them, I didn't think there was I mean, obviously it was going to be good, but I didn't think there were enough colors that I really was gravitating to. So I asked her if she'd put together a boho bundle, and this is her version of that. And I think it's, I mean, I love this color. It is really nice. Thank you, Joni. So that's what's holding it all together. So I'm sure that she's going to continue offering these for sale during our live sales. So, you know, if you're interested, she's proven her willingness to sort of customize things for people or do, you know, special requests. So don't be shy. Ask her. I'm sure she'll do it. Anyway, this is cool. It's a bit much to look at just as it is. So you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be separating it into colorways. Put all the blues together, all the, you know, the orangey yellow ones together, and so on, because that's how I see things, and that's how, this one is very unusual. That's how I'm more able to see and understand what is available to me. You know, so I would be putting these guys together and so on and so on. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for getting this to me, Joni. And I would just like to tell you, I'm going to upload this today, which is, oh, why do I keep, honestly, the sale went really long last night, and trust me, that will never happen again. Not on my watch. But so I don't know if that's why I'm discombobulated today, but anyway, I've been thinking today was Saturday all day long. So I was kind of relieved to find that it isn't. So I'm going to upload this, I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow. And I will also, following this video, probably, or at some point tomorrow as well, I will be doing a very special announcement video. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I am so excited about this prospect. And no, it is not the reveal of the winner of the Masterboard Madness month. Results are still coming in and being tabulated. I might have to send a gentle reminder to some of the creators that, you know, today is the deadline for sending me the names of the people who commented on the videos. And of course, then the auditing firm of Price Waterhouse is tabulating the results. No, it's me. And to see who qualifies for being in the draw. Now, you know, April 2nd came and went, and Canada, along with Mexico, dodged the bullet on the Trump tariffs. So I will be able to, if it's an American winner, I will be able to send the prize. So that's kind of a relief. So yes, keep your eyes peeled for that. I'll do it as soon as I possibly can, given that I'm waiting for 29 people to do their thing as well. So, yeah, but anyway, back to this other thing. You must tune in, because I am so amped up about it. And I think it is going to be something that you're all going to want to watch and be a part of. So, yeah. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say. I'll have to be doing that video next. Anyway, thanks, guys. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.